Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Arpana's Art Room. In this video, I will show you how to make step-by-step watercolor greeting card for your Valentine. Clearly, these Valentine Day cards are a great way to express your love and care for your special one. You can write a thoughtful message to show how much you care. If you haven't prepared it yet, let's make this lovely greeting card with me at the last minute. Hope you will enjoy it. Before we begin, let's see the art supplies which we will require to make this greeting card. So you will need A4 size white cardstock 200 GSM, red cardstock 160 GSM, black or any other cardstock, 6 by 4 inches watercolor paper 300 GSM cold press, cadmium red watercolor, watercolor brush. I am using round brush size 2, paper towel, water, color palette, black pen, red sparkly gel pen, scissors, glue, ruler, pencil and an eraser. Alright, first I am going to take a watercolor sheet of size which is approx 6 by 4 inches and divide it into 9 equal parts. I have divided the length and breadth by 3 and marked the points on the paper. And with the help of a ruler, I am going to join these lines. After creating 9 equal parts on the sheet, I am taking the black cardstock and cutting it a small piece out of it. Now I will fold it into half and draw a half heart. With the help of scissors, I am going to cut out the shape of a heart. Now I have this heart shape. I am going to use this shape to draw the heart in all 9 boxes. I am trying to carefully place the hearts in the center of the boxes. Next, I have mixed some red watercolor with water and created a very thin color. Now, I am going to fill the first layer of thin layer of watercolor paint into the shapes of hearts. I am taking a little thick watercolor and letting it flow with water. In the same way, I will carefully repeat the process in all the hearts. It is a very simple monochromatic watercolor greeting card that you can even complete in just 10 minutes and still it will look beautiful. Just a reminder, in this channel you will find hundreds of acrylic paintings, drawings and craft tutorials, and I am uploading every week new videos. If you are interested to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and activate the notification by pressing the bell icon, and it's free. Now I will take A4 size cardstock and fold it into half. At the bottom of the card, I have traced a message of "Be my Valentine." Next, I am taking my red cardstock which I have cut a little bigger than 6 by 4 inches. I am going to paste the watercolor painting in the center of it and then paste it on my greeting card base. In the next step, I am going to take a black pen and write my message. Remove all the pencil lines with the help of an eraser. With the help of a sparkly gel pen, I am going to outline all the hearts and draw a dotted line on the border of the watercolor paper. Finally, the Valentine greeting card is ready to give to your soulmate. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram and tag me with your paintings if you tried one of my tutorials. Don't forget to tell me in comment section what would you like to see next. I enjoy making this quick watercolor Valentine Day card. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till that time, take care and stay safe.